Look at this rub rail. So however for you got to go back, try not to make it shaky. This is trying to repair this side over here that was torn out by being tied up improperly at the dock. So we're having to cut a 1/4 inch out of the rub rail because it stretches the aluminum when it bends it. So it'll go back together. And it's still not going to be the greatest. New aluminum would have been a better solution, because by the time I waste time doing this, I'm going to bet you they could have bought a brand new piece of rub rail to go on this Flying Scot. So this long drawn out process here and you can't tell how much you need to take out until you've actually put it on the vessel and screwed it down, because it changes its angle of attachment because it's a bent piece that you're trying to straighten out. I had it nice and straight. We had it where it fit up, and someone went in and moved it, picked it up by the very tip end, and that made it bend, and then when they threw it down, they bent it more. So it took all the straightening that we did. It took us probably 2 hours on the vise, one man holding it into place, another man hammering it to get it that straight. And then it started raining, so we had to come out here and do it. And next thing you know, somebody decides to go in the shop and move it again. Makes things difficult. So aren't you glad you're a member of Lake Norman Community Sailing Center, where you don't have to do this? Somebody just comes in and does it for you, and then they fuss at you for doing it.